Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some dumplings. So making two sets of dumplings. One which is just straight white flour and some cornmeal dumpling. That's the reason why I have two bowls here. If this is something that you're interested in, stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
So for our first mixture, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup. I'm going to sieve that. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cornmeal. So that's 1/3 cups of cornmeal. Add a pinch of salt. That's like less than a teaspoon. Now we're going to add our room temperature water. So now we're going to cover this and work on our next set of dumplings. So we are going to use 1 cup of flour. Sieve that out. And then we're going to add a pinch of salt. Mix that in together. Now we start adding our water. So now I'm just gonna cover this. So I'm gonna get my pot ready now for the dumplings. I'm gonna add some salt to the water. Cover, bring to a boil, and then we'll start making our dumplings. Time to make our dumplings. So you see our dough is nice and smooth. I knead it again before I make the dumplings. So my dumpling making skill is not all that perfect, but as my mother would have said, when you go in your belly, you not going perfect. Time to add our dumplings to the pot. Cover it slightly. You don't want to cover it all the way because then when the pot start boil up again, it will just boil over and not stay the stove. So you don't want that. So just cover it, not fully, but just enough so that it will start to boil up and the dumpling will cook. I had to remove the lid from the pot because it started to boil over, but our dumplings are ready. I'm just going to take them out of the pot now and show you the finished product. And there you have it, guys. Our boiled dumplings are complete. So we have 2 cornmeal dumplings and 2 straight flour dumplings. Now this can be eaten with just about anything. You can have it with corned beef, you can have it with callaloo, stewed chicken, curry chicken, you can have it with tin mackerel. There's endless things that you can have this with. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Nice and soft.